Howdy chaps and welcome back. This is a small update for the Willys Jeep people. I'm going to flip the camera and show you. Here we go. Right, so the Flathead 4, which is affectionately nicknamed the Go Devil engine. I haven't quite worked out why yet, but research is coming. I may or may not fix this motor, but I suspect it'll need to be sleeved and the hole in the block welded up. But really sad thing about this motor is I think it was quite good before it was left to corrode, basically. So it took a fair bit of work to get the camshaft out, the lifters out. They're all stuck in the block. I've got two valves that are currently stuck quite nicely, but I was able to wind them up using the adjusters on the lifters to the point where it opened the valve by just sheer pressure. And then I could actually get once I got all the lifters free, then the camshaft started turning. I also took the oil pump out too. So the camshaft is out, the front plate is off, clearly. Duh. I pressure washed all the mud out of the block. If I can get those two valves out and the head studs out, I might tip the block upside down and pull the crank out, but maybe not today. But I thought I'd show a little update on the Jeep. But the problem with it is it was just horrendously seized solid. Like you would never have got this motor running in a will it start video ever. Like, one, there was no cylinder head, so I think you can guess what all the cylinders look like. The timing chain was seized, as in completely rusted solid, so that wouldn't have turned, and when I took it off you could have jumped rope with it. It was that solid. The lifters were all stuck, the oil pump was stuck, and because the pistons were seized in their gudgeon pins, they weren't turning either. So even though the crank turns now and the camshaft turns, everything that does anything else was totally stuffed. You know, I've seen worse motors, so the chances we could persevere with it. I mean, it's not horrendously bad. The really sad thing was when you look at the valves. I'll look at one of the ones I haven't mutilated trying to get out. Yeah, here's a good one. Come here. Oh, I've put the collar on and everything. What an idiot. Come on now. Like, if you know what good valves look like, that was not even remotely sunk in. That was a very, very good engine before someone took it all apart and then left it exposed to the weather. Anyway, I hope you like this short little Jeep update. Try and keep the videos coming. See you in the next one.